this video, I'm going to talk you through what comes with and how to set up your Entity foot straps. As you can see, comes with 2 foot straps, 2 foot pads, and the foot pads have interchangeable density for the heel. You can do soft, medium or hard on the density. Also comes with the screws that you need, a handle and a set of plastic adjustment plates. Once you've unpacked your Entity straps, the first thing to do is choose which density you want the heel pad to be. Choose between soft, medium or hard heel density. Choose the one that you want, insert it into the heel of the pad, and then move on to adding your foot straps to the pad. As you can see on the center of each pad, there are 2 adjustment tracks. In these tracks, the side of the foot strap slots in. Slot the Entity foot strap through the open holes, and then you can choose to either position the strap forward or backward of the insertion point, as depending on where you would like the strap placed on your foot. You can also choose whether to have it on the outside or the inside depending on how wide your foot is. So you really do have the freedom to choose the width and the position of each foot strap. Once you've fitted that side of the foot strap, you then move on to the other side of the foot strap. Now, the Entity foot strap is split into 2, which allows you to independently adjust the toe side and heel side tension of the strap so that you can tailor the strap to your foot size. You want to make sure that you've got the plastic inserts the correct way round, and if you look on the bottom of each insert, it will tell you heel side or toe side so that you know that you're inserting the plastic insert the correct way round. Once they're inserted, they should look like this, and this also allows you to adjust the front and back width of these depending on how wide your foot is. Once you've chosen the correct width for your foot, whether it's wide or thin, and then the correct front and back width, whether it's apart or narrow, you can then feed your foot strap through the hole and fasten the adjustment settings on the strap along the top using the poppers on the adjustment straps. Pop them into place like this. Once you've done that for both straps and you've chosen the correct size for your feet, you then move on to inserting the strap and pad combo onto your board. To do this, you'll first need the insert tracks, which you will find inside your fin box that will come with your board. Place your foot strap in the right place. Get the plastic washers that you'll need that will insert into the top of the Entity strap system. Then make sure you choose the correct bolt length depending on which track system and which board you're using. Choose the right bolt length. Do these bolts up with a screwdriver, ensuring you don't strip the thread, and there you have it. Your Entity is set up. You really do have one of the most versatile and adjustable foot strap systems on the market today. And for this season, the Entity foot strap system comes in 4 different sizes to ensure that it will fit with any foot size.